kay Direk Irene, nandyan yung kanya yung magic touch ng kanyang storytelling. Kaya napaganda talaga.
Sabi ko nga, napakatapang ni Dong that he wanted to do this movie, this narrative with me.
At pag pinanood na po to, ano po yung gusto nyong maging take away ng mga manunood ng movie?
Kasi nagiging iba-iba siya sa kada ibang tao. Depende sa edad ng taong nanood, depende sa pinagdadaanan niya. There are different facets in the story that they can relate to. So, I hope somehow, kung hindi, it transforms them, or at least there's some realization about life and love, of course.
First time working together, can you share po ano yung mga naging, paano nabuo ang chemistry, ang mga titigan, na parang gusto na naming magpalit ng favorite love team?
Oh, wow. Napakagaling kasi ni Direk Irene. Oo, I mean, at saka siguro ang dami naming preparasyon bago yung actual shooting. So when we got to the set, parang Betty na ako, Ryan na siya. At saka meron siyang kinakausap niya ako separately, kinakausap din niya si Dong separately. Tapos pag nagsama na kami sa eksena, nakukuha na din direct kung anong gusto niya.
Pero ma'am, bago kayo nag-work ni Dingdong, may friends na ba kayo, or parang walang anything na connection?
As in, wala talaga.
Wala.
As in, fresh na fresh talaga yung start at yung simula namin. Kaya mas exciting siya on so many levels dahil syempre, alam mo yung mga ina-adjust mo sa una, di ba? Ng mga unang eksena. So, yan yung mga hindi namin malilimutan.
Dong, of course, we know is Ma'am Charo, pero bakit si Ma'am Charo yung isa sa mga gusto mo makasama?
Ay, well, unang-una, why not, di ba? Pero more than that, doon sa kwento talaga na naiisip na lumapag sa amin, yun talaga yung perfect na sa akin palagay because of the roles. The roles really called for it. Plus, sabi ko nga, and I always say this, na isa sa mga dreams at talaga mga goals ko, balang araw, syempre, makatrabaho ko si Ma'am Charo at nagkatotoo siya din sa pelikula.
Bakit only we know?
Kasi minsan yung pagmamahal o pag-ibig hindi mo mahawakan, di ba? Pero kayong dalawa lang ang nagkakaintindihan, di ba? Hindi naman lahat ng relationships nasa traditional way of, traditional yung perspective mo about love, di ba? Love is love, no matter the age, the status in life, kung ano mang estado, kung ano man ang edad, kung ano man pinanggalingan mo. So, yung dalawang taong involved dun sa love relationship, sila lang talaga ang nakakaintindi ng damdamin nila para sa isa't isa.
So, hindi kailangan may definition, hindi kailangan may title,
hindi kailangan may label, hindi kailangan may definition. Yung nararamdaman mo lang, diba? Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Ma'am, sabi ni Dingdong, dream niyang makatrabaho kayo. Kayo po ba naisip niya rin before na gusto niya rin makatrabaho si Dingdong?
He was never in my consciousness. Siguro dahil nasa ABS-CBN ako, di ba? And I was running the entertainment division of the company. So ang focus ko talaga yung mga talents ng ABS. But he came when he started doing movies for Star Cinema, nakita ko yung growth niya and maturity niya as an actor, no? And the first and only time I met him before this project was pitched was when he came to my office, where I pitched also a story idea to him. Pero to this day nga, hindi pa nagagawa yun eh. So yun lang, it was a very professional meeting between a producer and a talent. Ganun lang.
Tapos dito pa na mag-e-end up sa ganito.
Oo, tapos dito pala mag-e-end up. Noong panahon na yun, I'm sure hindi mo pa naiisip na makatrabaho. Ako rin, di ba? Kasi I had a corporate job to do.
Yeah.
Oo, tapos siya naman, very young, and di ba?
So after getting to know each other po sa film na to, ano po yung tumatak sa isa't isa?
Sa sa akin that he takes his craft seriously. Seryoso siya sa ginagawa niya. Klaro ang vision niya for himself and his career. He works hard. He works hard. He's very dedicated to his craft. And on the personal side, he's a real gentleman.
Medyo na traditional yung love team nyo. So paano nyo po na-build yung chemistry para to act in this movie?
Ayun, yung kagaya nung sinabi ni Ma'am Char kanina, yun, a lot of prep work. Mahabang usapan, mahabang nag-script reading din, and then yun nga, dealing with their characters separately para organic. Yung pagdating sa set, nagkakakilanlan sila until hanggang sa yung mag-develop yung love.
Dong, coming from the very, very successful Rewind, do you feel any pressure right now?
Sagutin ko muna yung tumatak. Kasi mahalaga sa akin yun. Siyempre, pag nagsushooting, diba, may experience ka. Doon pa lang, kakaiba na yung aking mga life experiences every day as we were shooting. Dahil, siyempre, marami akong natututunan sa kanya kahit na hindi niya literally tinuturo sa akin just by observing. Marami akong kukuha dahil sa inspirasyon sa lahat ng mga sinasabi niya. But more importantly, ang na-realize ko ay he's a very generous person. And when I say generous, hindi siya madamot sa ideas, hindi siya madamot sa kwento. In fact, ang dami namin na pag-usapan about life in general. Yung 200 films na nagawa niya, medyo nasa sideline lang yan. Pero about life in general. So para talaga siyang teacher of life. Diba? Siyempre dahil sa lawak na ng kanyang experience, lawak na ng kanyang mga nagawa, especially in our industry. So that's something that I will really value. Na hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa makukuha yung pagkakataon. Kahit sabihin mo siguro nagkatrabaho not in film, baka let's say kahit in a meeting, hindi ko naman makukuha yun. Pero dahil we were together for days, weeks, and until now we were together promoting the film, different countries. I just appreciate the fact that I learned so much, and that she's so generous enough to impart these values. Not just to me, but also sa lahat ng tao on set, pati kay Direk Irene.
What is your friendship like at this point? What is your friendship like at this point?
I think at this point, it still continues to evolve dahil parang sa pakiramdam ko entry point ng pelikula. Palad ako na nagkaroon kami ng ganitong connection because on and off cam, and I'm sure even off cam, marami pa kaming magagawa.
Out to all of our friends from the media from couch number 1, we are now done with our first group of our speed date. Alright, so our cast and director may now proceed to couch number 2. There you go. Thank you so much, couch number 1. So we have given them a total of 10 minutes for every couch for their speed date.
She's ready to listen.
There you go.
First time niyo po?
Yes. She's always ready to listen to our opinion, our thoughts, our ideas, even our fears.
Alright, once again, our first couch for our speed date time is up. Only 10 minutes per couch. So now our cast and director may now move on to couch number 2.
For an older person to fall in love with a younger, oh yeah, of course.
Thank you. Going back to my question, do you feel any pressure coming from Rewind?
Kasi kahit naman nung si Rewind, never naman naging gano'n yung mindset namin. Ang mindset namin ay gusto namin isang pelikula na gusto na mamahalin namin dahil sa kwento, dahil sa characters. At bonus yun kung ano man ang mangyari pagkatapos. Ganon din ang nararamdaman namin dito. At yung commitment namin sa pelikula.
Thank you po.
Thank you.